Hey folks, MACT back, and I have a video because in the MACTFORDEDGE Facebook group I have been promoting the OBD MX Plus, and this is what I'm giving out. This is the retail version I bought a while back, but this is what I have that was sent to me. I was sent 15 of these. I have given away I think 4 of them now, and they're only being given away in the Facebook group right now. I may actually start giving some of them away in MeWe, but you have to join in order to do that. But for right now, I got one more that I'm giving away here this Saturday, I think it is. But these are the OBD MX Plus model MX201, made in the USA, but it's assembled in China. Okay, so but you can buy these things retail for $100 on Amazon, and so I got 15 of them. That means I got $1,500 worth of MX Pluses to give away. $400 of them are already given away. That means 4 of them have been since given away, and folks are really liking that. But the OBD MX, let's see, basically it works with all vehicle makes and models worldwide. They have unsurpassed performance, delivers 300% more data throughput than the closest competitor. Hacker proof. It has a unique security scheme and eliminates the risk of unauthorized access. And then it has free updates. To update or download the latest firmware and software for free. I made a video on how to update the firmware on MX, so it's pretty much the same, I think, as far as that goes, but it means it don't go bad. And you can read and clear check engine lights, although you can clear them, but you might as well fix it. That's the whole point of this thing, is to find out what's wrong with your car and fix it. It'd help you make repair decisions. You got more app choices, works with dozens of third-party apps, including Torque, and it also really works well with Forescan. And they have their own app also for the MX, and Scantool.net is where you can go for that. It'll monitor your fuel economy and help you try to figure out what you're doing there. And it has battery saver technology. It's safe to leave it plugged in, and it won't drain your vehicle's battery. I can tell you that for a fact. I've been running my MX gosh, years now, and I leave it plugged in all the time. It goes to sleep. Then when you start the car, it wakes up. It's a pretty snazzy thing, and it has not failed me. And we're talking, gosh, 4 years now, and it's been plugged in, running 24/7. And I check it generally every time I'm out driving and everything else. So I can tell you this is hands down a worthwhile investment, that you can check your car at home and do everything that you want to do with it. As far as the sponsorship on it, I'm going to say it might be technically considered sponsored, but I'm not getting paid. Okay, I'm giving these away, so I don't think I'm getting paid. Plus it has a 3-year warranty. You guys see that? Holy cow, 3 years. Got 3-year warranty on it, so you can't beat that. But again, I'm not being paid for this. Matter of fact, when I mail each one of these out, it costs me $8 to $10 to mail them out. That's why they're only being given away in the US, because I ain't going to pay all the foreign shipping. Because it's actually going to cost me hundreds of dollars to mail these things out. So I'm not making money off of this, folks. I told them when they wanted to send me some that I wanted some product free for my group members. That's what I told them. Our negotiation was to you, from me, to send me free units to give to you. I didn't ask to get paid, folks. Not at all. So in my mind, it's not really a sponsored thing, but you guys can read into you what it want, but I'm just telling you what I use. I bought my unit a long time ago before they offered to send me some. So every review I've done on this has been at my personal expense up until now when they wanted to give these away. It's a great unit. I like it, and it does work great with ForScan for your Fords and everything else, maybe your Mazdas and other things. But yeah, you get a free app. It works with iPhones, Androids, and Windows. Okay, now on top of that, you get this, and this thing comes in a really nice box. Maybe I can open it up. I'll show you what it's like. Sorry to whoever receives this, but your box is going to be open. So if you get, this one that's open, then you'll know that MACT actually opened this one on the video. And the box is pretty neat. It's pretty snazzy. You get all your little data cards and everything. Your 3-year warranty shows up, and then of course you have your setup and everything else in your works. But I think the little case is neat. This little case is sweet. Look at that. Look at that little case. Come with a little tiny zipper and everything else, and you got your OBDLinks right in here in the case. Okay, so you just pull it out, and there you go, your OBDLinks MX. This is the little reset button right here. You push that whenever you need to, but you just plug that into the OBD underneath your dash, and it lights up and tells you what's going on and everything else. So it's a pretty sweet little unit, and the packaging is far different, compared to this one. This one actually comes with this nice little case, so you get all that goes in there with it. And it says here, thank you for choosing OBDLink. We want to make sure you have a 5-star experience. Our support team is standing by to help you solve any issues. Support@obdlink.com. And I can tell you, people have told me that they had a problem just starting it up. Everybody has a problem when they're new. They don't know how to operate, and who reads the directions anyway? But anyway, yeah, they do have fantastic customer support. That I can say I've heard complaints about the other units that try to sell with this, but keep in mind this unit does more than the other units do. It can do a lot more, so it is hands down a better unit, even though they might sell them for less. It does have supported vehicles all over the world, and it is enhanced GM Ford support from Ford's from 2007 on. It has some really good support, and then GM's 2006 on. Operating voltage is 8 to 18 volts DC. Operating temp is -4 to 131 degrees Fahrenheit. Takes 62 milliamps of operating current. It sleeps at 2 milliamps, and its weight is 1.2 ounces. That's pretty much it. But again, iPad, iPhone, all that good stuff that you want to do. So if it sounds like a commercial for them, yeah, it is. I'm trying to give these things away for free. That's right. What are you waiting for? Join MACTFORDEDGE and also MACTFORDEDGE on MeWe. That way you get a chance to get one for free. Yeah. And if y'all missed the Christmas special, they're giving 20% discounts, and that code is done and over now. But some folks are able to do that. If you are doing Windows, I'm not giving these away, but hey, you have the OBDLinks EX. And what is the EX? Right here, folks. All those other OBD readers, you got to have a little switch on the side and all that good stuff. Well, this was designed to work with ForScan for Windows. This thing here automatically switches from your MS CAN to HS CAN. You don't have to switch it. It does it automatically. It works great with ForScan for Windows. So the OBDLinks MX, link down below in my video to buy this on Amazon, and along with the OBDLinks MX Plus, the links will be below that too. But hey, you can't beat it. If you really want to dive deep into your car with this OBDLinks EX, you get the ForScan for Windows, and you can really jump into your Ford pretty deep. You can start changing a lot of things. You can do your emergency brake service mode with it. You can test your injectors. You can go through and cycle things. You can change your turn signal flashes. You can change how your lights work. You can change everything in it. Okay, so it is a very, very powerful program for Scan for Windows. Now you do have to buy a license in order to use it. And keep in mind this group is sort of a group thing, so yeah, they try to make a little money off it, but the license is very cheap. So if you buy this unit, hook it up to your laptop, man, you got all sorts of power, nearly what the dealership would have. You can change a lot of things. So yeah, these are great units, and I'm using these to try to promote all of you to join up on my MACTFORDEDGE Facebook group and MeWe group. So have at it. I hope that you find that these units are going to be good. I'm going to do some in-depth hooking up. Right, I'm going to plug this unit in right here that I got. I don't want to use yours, because if I use it, then it won't be any good to you. It'll be hooked up to me. So anyway, I'll use mine that I bought. Yeah, I bought this one. I'll hook it up to my car, and I'll show you how to set it up. I've already done a video on this before, so if you search MX on my channel, you'll see that I already did some, went over some codes and everything else. But I'll do one hooking up this MX Plus to my car, and I'll probably do it on my 2019 Ford Edge that I have, because it's an EcoBoost. So, you know, since I already done the Duratec thing, we'll do the EcoBoost thing with that. And I'll show you guys how to open it up, program it, turn it on. More than likely it probably needs a firmware update, so we'll do a firmware update with it, with their proprietary program. You can't do it through Forescan. You have to have the OBDLinks program. So just keep that in mind. We'll start out with that and then go to the OBDLinks Forescan program rather, and do that. But just keep in mind, you know, $100, and if you win one for free, that's even a bonus. So, but you know, it saves you running and going to the car parts store to find out what's wrong with your car, and then they're trying to pressure you into it. But I also want you all to understand that just because this unit tells you what's probably wrong with your car, to keep in mind that this is a diagnostic tool. That means you have to use this. You have to research, you have to find information, you have to make a determination what the actual problem is as far as the exact part that you need to replace. This is merely a tool as a gateway to get you to the direction you need to do. They're not advertising it like these other units do and say, oh, just plug your car in and it'll tell you what to fix. Well, that might seem simple, but generally when they tell you what to fix, they give you a half a dozen or more reasons of what you should replace, and then you end up doing a parts cannon on your car. The idea is this is a tool. It helps you get to where you need to be. And you can also do real-time readings on your car with these. That's right, data logging. So just keep in mind, you can actually record how your car is running as you're driving down the road and then save it as a file. So there's a lot to this, and you can use your cell phone. I forget where my cell phone went. Where'd it go? Yeah, just use your cell phone. That's all you need. You already got a cell phone. You got this. You spend $5 for Forescan Lite on Google Play, and you are now able to diagnose your car, clear codes, and monitor how it's running. And that's what the beauty of this device is. And I've been using it for years. It just so happens now I can give them away. That's the best thing about it. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed it, you know, and watching this video and knowing that I'm giving these things away. And again, don't get me on YouTube. You're not going to get one on YouTube. You have to be in MACTFORDEDGE on Facebook or MACTFORDEDGE on MeWe. It's the only way you're going to get one. No other way. Not on YouTube. Not doing it. So if you want to get a hold of me on that way, participate in my little contest. That's how you win. Okay? Not going to make it easy. Heck, I could just say, okay, I'll random number draw and give all 15 away. What fun would that be? Anyway, yeah, that's how we're doing it. So I hope you all wasn't rambling on for you, but I think you'll find that these devices are very, very good at doing what they do. So anyway, this is MACTFORDEDGE, and thank you for watching. Remember, like these videos. I would love to see 500 likes on this video, folks. You know, it just helps me out so much. So when you watch it, hit the like button. Get me up over 500. YouTube loves to see 500 likes, and it also makes my channel's video stand out. So by all means, I know you just watch it, but subscribe and hit that button and like the video and all that good stuff, and help me grow this channel to what I know it can be. So that being said, for that, hey, my feet hit the floor today. I'm having a great day, and I want you to have a great day too.
Thank you for watching MACT's videos, and remember to like and subscribe. This is a Mercy Go production.